back to Evolve Garage. We are sponsored here today by Alex Blue. The whole government, the whole Facebook name.
AutoZone, get in the zone.
So today we are connecting a boost gauge. Alex has now
got that Glowshift
tinted. He has requested that I be a slave today and connect this for him. I think the worst part was what, the vacuum line?
Vacuum lines are routed. I'm gonna show you what they look like. Looking hella clean over here. Shit looks OEM.
And now we're just getting.
And we got the pods, triple pods. Got a separate AEM gauge that's going in for the diagnostic OBD.
All right, we didn't show you much because we were trying to figure it out on ourselves. But these are the 3 pods. We routed the wires without the loom because it was too thick, and then we loomed it inside of here. Brought it down. We grounded it right here behind this, and then we added the fuse for the power. And then there's 2 wires left, which is the yellow, and I think that's the memory from what he said, and the orange is the dimmer. What they're saying in the instructions is to put an fuse for each one. What?
Nope, no electrical tape.
All right, so we finished, and if we turn it on, we got light. What they don't tell you is that you have to connect the yellow wire in order to get that. We have a mess here.
So we tapped in.
What we tapped into? Fuse 27 is constant. That's the yellow wire.
Yeah, that's constant.
Let me turn this off because that was annoying. So number 27 is constant, the yellow wire. We have the orange wire routed to illumination.
That's for the dimmer.
Right.
Nobody online, no forums had that information for some reason.
And then we got the power connected to the ACC.
Which is fuse 31.
Fuse 31. So those are the 3 wires that need to be connected in order for
ground too.
In order for that to get work. And we have the ground connected right here behind this because it's hitting.
Loom too.
And yeah, you know, I'll try to do my best here. And yeah, so he should be good to go. You gotta let me know how it looks at night.
We'll see. We'll put it back together and get a video.
Deciding on a color.
Red?
I think red is nice because it matches.
So clean though.
It matches the cluster.
Everything else is red. Might as well.
Yeah.
That's tough.
How you like it?
Hell yeah! Thank you, bro.
Of
You're
course.
the best, literally. Big snapper fish. Fuck yeah! It took us 5 hours.
Right.
Okay.